Hello guys, what's up? Today we make this spider garnish or spider decor on top of any glaze. A lot of people of you guys ask me how to do it. Today we make it together, very simple recipe. You will really enjoy and you cannot believe it's so easy. The most important that you must use this glaze, the foundation glaze, with condensed milk or with gelatin. I will leave the link below in description box how to make this kind of glaze, dark or white, whatever color you want. You can see this white base, you can make it red, you can make it green as you see in the photo, and you give you this spider effect. You can also add it, the golden color will be much shiny. Please guys, if this first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younes. I'm pastry champion of Africa 2011. Please let us know what kind of video you want us to show you in dessert, bakery, cookies, vegan, gluten-free, lactose-free, whatever you need. Very easy recipe, 4 ingredients, 400 gram clear jelly or napage, 250 gram glucose, 100 gram water, 4-5 gram white powder color or titanium oxide. We drop all the ingredients in 1 liter, any small container. After that we blend it with hand blender. I make a mistake here, not mistake, I want to show you how to make it different or how to make exactly. So I bought like 4 milli with liquid white color, titanium oxide, and after that I see the color is very transparent. In this case will never be successful. So I tried and I see very transparent. It looks in the camera white. So I put back in big casserole or pan, and then I added again 3 gram of titanium oxide or white food color. So it makes some lumps, so I return it back. So very important, the brand you use for white color would make the effect. If you can see, it becomes more stronger. Before was white but very transparent. I blend it again with hand blender to avoid any lumps inside and to remove all bubbles. Again with hand blender for 20 seconds. Now I have my spider glaze, we call it spider glaze. You can keep in the fridge up to 7 days. So this big quantity you can divide it and keep it in the freezer, and when you need it you just defrost it and you put exactly after glaze direct. So you can make it white, you can make it yellow or red, whatever you like. Thanks for being in my channel. Please guys, leave your comment and tell us what you want us to do. All the best. Ahmed Younes.